Hi students, and now we are going to see the 11th question. If R is any point on the x-axis and Q is any point on the y-axis and P is a variable point on RQ with RP is equal to B and PQ is equal to A, then find the equation of the locus of P. So here we want to find the locus of P. Therefore we are writing let P of H comma K to be the moving point. Okay, be the moving point. Okay, so first let us write this first step. Okay, so we are giving the coordinates of P to be H comma K. Okay, and then we have to write the given conditions in that question. So here that condition is R is any point on the x-axis, Q is any point on the y-axis. So we'll draw x-axis and y-axis first. So this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis and this is the origin. Okay, so and I'm going to draw a line, and this I'm taking this point to be R, which is on the x-axis, and this point to be Q, which is on the y-axis. Okay, so so the coordinates of R will be x comma 0. Okay, x can be any number. Okay, x is the distance from this origin to R. Okay, and on the x-axis y value will be 0, therefore x comma 0. So here the coordinate of Q will be what? Value of x is 0 because on the y-axis x is 0, and the distance from the origin to Q I am taking it as y. Okay, so these are the coordinates of R and Q. Okay, and see, the third condition is P is a variable point on RQ. So it is not the midpoint, so we'll draw a point P here. So the coordinates of P will be H comma K. Okay, P is a variable on RQ with RP is equal to B. Okay, so RP is equal to B. So the length of RP is equal to B and PQ is A. Okay, so these are the given conditions. Okay, so from this we have to get the equation. Okay, so if P is the midpoint, we can use the midpoint formula in order to get the value of H and K. But here P is not the midpoint, so we have to use the section formula. Okay, so I just want to recall the section formula. So I'm just taking this endpoints to be A and B, and coordinates of A to be x1 comma y1 and B to be x2 comma y2. Okay, and I am taking a point, any point inside AB, C. Okay, that point to be x comma y. Okay, that point to be x comma y, and the length AC is L and CB is M. Okay, so if we are having this, by the section formula we can write this x, the coordinate of C, no, x is equal to what? L into x2. Okay, L into x2 plus M into x1 divided by L plus M. Okay, and then the value of y will be L into y2 plus M into y1 divided by L plus M. Okay, so we are using this section formula for this given condition. So therefore we can write H to be, okay, see the coordinate, the x coordinate of P is H. So H is equal to A into x. Okay, so A x plus B into here 0. Okay, so you will be getting 0. So divided by A plus B. Okay, and then K will be K will be equal to A into 0. Okay, A into 0 plus B into y, by, divided by A plus B. This is by using the section formula. Okay, so if we simplify this, we'll be getting H is equal to AX divided by A plus B, and K will be equal to by divided by A plus B. So we got this, and now we are going to find the value of x and y. Okay, so what is the value of x and y? You just cross multiply, so you will be having H into A plus B, and when this A comes into this side, it will be in the denominator, so by A, which is equal to x, and from this K into A plus B divided by B, that is equal to y. So we got the value of x and y. Okay, so now we'll consider this triangle QOR. Okay, so in triangle QOR, okay, in triangle QOR, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So from that Pythagoras theorem, we can write this as OR square plus OQ square, that is equal to RQ square. Okay, so by the Pythagoras theorem, we can write this. What is OR? The distance from the origin to R, that is what? X. Okay, so you can write this as X square plus OQ, the distance from the origin to Q, that is Y square. Okay, Y square, which is equal to, what is the length of RQ? We know that PQ is equal to A, or RP is equal to B, so we have to add these two. Okay, so that is A plus B the whole square. Okay, so this is the equation that we are getting, and we have to substitute this X value and Y value in this equation, okay, in order to get the locus of P. Okay, so when you substitute, what you will be getting? A plus B the whole square, A plus B into H divided by A the whole square, A the whole square. Since X is equal to A plus B H by A, so we can write like this, and then what? Y is equal to what? A plus B into K divided by B. Okay, so A plus B into K divided by B the whole square. Okay, the whole square, which is equal to A plus B the whole square. Okay, A plus B the whole square. Okay, and then now what can we do is, we can take the square for each term. Okay, so you will be having A plus B the whole square into H square divided by A square plus A plus B the whole square into K square divided by B square, that is equal to A plus B the whole square. Okay, so if you look at each of these terms, A plus B the whole square is common, so we can divide this by A plus B the whole square. Okay, so what you will get? H square divided by A square plus K square divided by B square, that is equal to 1. Okay, this is our resulting equation. So after this equation, what can we write? Therefore the locus of P is what? X square divided by A square plus Y square divided by B square, that is equal to 1. That means you have to replace H by X and K by Y. That's all. Okay, so this is our answer for the 11th question. Clear? Thank you.